A very good morning, my dear students. Today I'm going to start with a new lesson. Lesson 6, Introduction to Paint. I hope, children, you must be aware of this paint software, and I'm sure that you must have worked on that. But today I will teach you about the paint window, about its parts, how to open it, and how to use different types of tools. Okay? So, first of all, let me give you an idea what is a paint. Now, if I'll ask you to draw a cartoon or a hut or a scenery, so what you will do? You need a page, you need pencil, eraser, and a scale, colors, alright? Now, all these things are available to you in your PC as well. Okay, all these things are available to you in your PC as well. And the name of that software is Paint. What is the name? Its name is Paint. MS Paint. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you how to open MS Paint. Now, as you can see this window, this is a start button. I hope you all can see it very well. This is a start button. So you will click on this start button. Okay? You will click on this start button and then you will type here in the search box, type paint. What you will type? Paint. And now you can see this option, paint. Click on it. Now this is your paint window. Okay? This is your paint window. Now a paint window has different parts. Okay? A paint window has different parts. Now let me make you aware about all the different parts of the paint window. Now the first part of this paint window is title bar. Now this is title bar where you can see it's written Untitled Paint. Okay, this is title bar. Alright, this one is Quick Access Toolbar where you can see all these few buttons. This is Quick Access Toolbar. Alright, this is Paint button. Okay, this is Paint button. Alright, this is ribbon. This entire area is known as ribbon. This entire area is known as ribbon. Okay, these are tabs, home tab, view tab, and these are different groups. By default, your home tab is open right now, and these are different groups. Clipboard group, image group, tools group, shapes group, and colors group. Okay, and this is the drawing area. This is your white page where you draw the things. Okay, where you draw the object. Now let me explain you about all these different parts. Now the first part that I told you is title bar. Now what is title bar? Title bar appears on the top of the window. This is the top. Okay, this is the top of the window. So where this title bar appears? Title bar appears on the top of the window. And what does it displays? It displays the name of the program. So which program is open? Which software is open? Paint. So here you can see it's written Paint. Okay, and here it is right now, it is written Untitled. Untitled means the name has not been given yet. So that is why it is written Untitled. But when I draw something and if I save this file, then the name will be changed. So whatever the name I will give to this file, then that particular name will appear over here. Okay, that particular name will appear over here. So then it will not be untitled, it will be the name. Alright, so what does the title bar shows? Title bar shows two things, the name of the file and the name of the program or the software that is opened. Okay, now on the title bar you will see three different buttons: minimize, maximize, and close. Minimize means what happens when you minimize? When you click on minimize, the window will come to the taskbar. The window has come to the taskbar, and if you again click on it, the window, the full window, okay, the full window will get open on the screen. And this is close button. You know all. What is the use of close button? The use of close button is to close the window. Okay. These three buttons, minimize button, here you will see restore. If I'll click on, see, I have clicked on restore. Now it has changed to maximize. If I'll click to maximize, it will come to restore down. So minimize, restore down or maximize button and the close button are known as control buttons. Okay, minimize, maximize or restore down and close button are known as control buttons. The next part is quick access toolbar. Now in this quick access toolbar, you will find those buttons which are commonly used. Okay, which we use every time. What are those commonly buttons? First is the save. Why this is saved button is there in the quick access toolbar? Because every time when we make a drawing, we have to save it. Okay, whenever I told you in my last chapter, file management, I told you that whenever we create a file, we have to save it. Why do we save? We save so that we can use it in the future. So same here, when I'm drawing anything, I need to save this file. So for that, I have to click over here. Okay, next is undo button. Okay, and the next one is redo button. Now what is undo button? Undo button means to repeat the last action. If by mistake I have done it something wrong, so I can repeat the last action which I have done. And redo means the last action, the next last action. Alright. Paint button. Now this is paint button. When you click on this paint button, what all you will find? You will find different options like new. What is new? New means to open the new page. Okay. Open option means to open an existing file which I have already made, and save means to save a file. Then we have exit button also to exit from MS Paint window. This is ribbon. In the ribbon area, what you will find? You will find all the different options, buttons that you require to do, that you want to use while drawing an object. Now these are two tabs, home tab and view tab. By default, your home tab is always open and the next one is view tab. Okay. Now when you click on the home tab, you will find different groups like clipboard group. In clipboard group, you will find the paste option, cut option, copy option. When you go to image group, you will find the option select, crop, resize and rotate. When you go to the tools group, you will find pencil button, fill with color, then text tool, eraser tool, pick color, color picker and magnifier. Then you have shapes, different shapes are there, and then in the colors group you have different colors which you require to color. Then this is the drawing area where you draw the object. So this is all about the different objects of the paint window.